What's up, TRT community? Let's help each other. This video is sponsored by Let's Get Checked. More about them at the end of the video. I want to talk to you guys about what I've learned being on TRT for 4 years, because you guys know I'm not on TRT for muscle. I'm on TRT for normal. What do I mean? I just want to feel normal again. I went to the doctor because I was having all these negative symptoms that were disrupting my life. That's why I got on TRT, just to feel normal again. So let's talk about what normal has looked like to me, what it's been like for me for the past 4 years, and what each year has sort of represented, because I'm going to break each year into its own description. When I went to the doctor and found out that my problem was indeed low testosterone and he got me on TRT, I was so excited because I finally knew that I have this certain problem and there is a certain thing I can do to get rid of it. So that first year I like to call the honeymoon phase, because everything was new and fresh and exciting, and I got my energy back, my motivation back, and my just sense of normal me was all coming back again. I started exercising again and I started eating good, and it was just all fresh and new, like when you first get married. And so that's why I call it the honeymoon phase. Then year 2, I call that the learning phase. It's because there's not like a one-size-fits-all when it comes to TRT. We're all a bit different. You can't paint with a broad brush when it comes to any of us. And you sort of learn that as you go along. You're watching videos, you're doing your homework, you're also learning your body. And so you learn what levels you need to be at because you and your doctor are doing your blood work along the way. You also are learning about injecting a bit more. You kind of learn that, oh, I don't just have to do it this one way that my doctor said. Like for example, with me, he wanted me to inject every 2 weeks. Well, I learned that my body didn't like that. I learned that I needed to split that and do it once a week. And also when it comes to where you inject and what kind of needles you prefer and things like that, it's just sort of, year 2 was really sort of the learning phase for me, just kind of learning everything about all this. Year 3 is what I like to call the settling phase. For me, year 3 was just settling into this new way of life. Getting used to injecting, every week, just settling into this new normal that is life for me now. Yeah, that's really pretty much it. Year 3 was just sort of a lot of the same old stuff, just settling into it. Not much exciting there to report. But year 4 has been a bit more substantial for me, because I call it the realizing phase. Realizing that this is just life for me now. I'm going to have to keep injecting this for the rest of my life. Realizing that, oh yeah, all this excitement has worn off now. Realizing, oh yeah, I've got to keep buying these syringes. Realizing I'm going to have to keep going to the doctor every 6 months to a year and get blood work done. Realizing that, yeah, this is just normal life for me now, and this is always how it's going to be. But then also being thankful that I've got this ability to get blood work done where I can see exactly what's wrong with me, be able to have a doctor who prescribe a synthetic drug that'll fix what's deficient in my body, be able to just get on the computer and order all the supplies that I need as far as syringes and alcohol prep pads and things like that. Part of it's also just learning to be thankful too, because it can be a bit of a downer if you're not careful. So you got to balance that out with being so thankful that we have all that we have access to make us feel normal once again. So guys, I just wanted to share my 4-year journey with you. It was a bit quick, I understand that, but I just want to let you know kind of what to look forward to, and each journey's different. I want to know how long you've been on your journey. Maybe you've not even started your journey. And if you haven't, I want to urge you to go to the doctor and just get your blood work checked. It's really not hard. It's pretty easy. And if you don't want to go to the doctor and get it checked, that's fine. You can actually use Let's Get Checked. Let me tell you more about them. Let's Get Checked offers affordable and professional at-home health testing kits, not just testosterone. However, if you're just interested in their testosterone testing kits, there's a link below that you can click on that'll take you just to their testosterone testing kits. But they offer a plethora of health testing kits. So go to their site and check them out. Use code COHEN20 to get 20% off your order. So guys, that's all I got. I hope that's been helpful. Will you leave in a comment below how long you have been on TRT and how it's going for you? I hope my channel has helped you. Please check out the channel. I've got a lot of videos to help you. That's why I do this. That's why I say let's help each other at the beginning of all my videos. Thanks for watching so much, guys. I appreciate you. God bless you. Peace.